going? Oh,
That's
welcome.
what the 3-2 pause means.
Okay. Welcome back to using random food items as baseballs just for the fun of it. I'm Ninja Cat, and today we are going to be using an egg.
That is cracked.
Yeah, it's already cracked because I tried testing something my classmate. Anyway, let's do it. So, like last time, we're going to do close and underhanded, but since he's not here right now, the person who batted last time, I'm going to be batting.
Okay.
Lots of tall grass. Whoa,
Hey, none got on me.
that was cool.
None of it got on me, actually.
I'm going to see if I can find an eggshell.
I definitely found an eggshell. I found I found the yolk. I found the yolk.
Oh my gosh. Ew. Yeah, it is all over the bed.
Sign off.
Okay. Yeah, this has been a success. We were really worried, but
I did it. I didn't get any yolk on me.
yeah. So, goodbye.